Hi everyone, this is Pallavi. I'm from Niswey, a HubSpot Elite partner. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share how to upgrade from your free Litepics plan to personalized Litepics plan. In order to do that, go ahead to the contact section and click on contacts. You will be able to get this page and click on any particular contact. And once it populates the contact properties page, towards the right hand side, please navigate down to the Litepics CRM card and click on action drop down menu. Now you have two options here, full report and access original images. Please make sure that you're the admin so you'll be able to access the options. So click on full report and go ahead and click on update plan further. It will redirect you to our personalized pricing page. Over here, there's a small insight given by Litepics, wherein it, with the help of the scanning ability in to the Litepics portal of your HubSpot files, it will display the images that are ready to be compressed and how many images that would be compressing on an average every month. Now, if you have images less than say 250, we would recommend you go ahead and use the personalized plan, wherein you will be able to compress 150 images per day and total of 260 images per year, and any additional image you will be charged based on the number of images that are left in your portal. And go ahead and click on buy now, and once it redirects you to the Stripe payment section, your portal ID will be automatically accumulated. You just have to fill in your personal details and then go in the payment method and go ahead and subscribe for the personalized plan. So that's about it. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.